Monday, August the 20th, third period, integrated math, time for the warm-up quiz. What should you have done before you sat down on your desk? Paper from the orange tub. If you didn't get any, go get some now. Problem number 1 on the warm-up quiz. The solution is 5 plus 12 plus 27. 5 plus 12 is 17, plus 27 is 44. Here is the next one. Here is the solution. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 8 times 4 is 32. 5 times 2 is 10. 8 plus 32 is 40. Minus 10 should be 30. Warm-up number 3. Solution. 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Times 5 is 15. And then 5 plus 15 is 20. Take away 2, that should be 18. Warm-up number 4. Alright. Solution. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Divided by 2 is going to be 5. And then times 4 is 20. Last one coming up. Warm-up number 5. Solution. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 divided by 12 is 3. And then 4 times 5 is 20. Divided by 10 is 2. So you should end up with 5. Pick a number from 1 to 10, put your last name on it, and drop it off up here. The winner gets 10 million. Now it's time for the homework check. And you'll bring your paper up in the order that I call you. If you don't have all the problems worked out, then don't bring it up. You can bring it up another day, but you won't get money for the answers. But to get 50 points, you have to have all the work shown for each problem. Homework solutions, you have to bring them up like this. 3 at a time. Here's a small piece of paper. Number 1, 2, and 3 for the first 3. And then write the answers beside them. Make sure your last name is on it and drop it off up here at the table. Answers are 31, 17, and 41. If you have all 3 right, come and get 3 million. Answers are 18, 5, and 39. 18, 5, and 39. If you have that, all 3 of them, come and get 3 million. Answers are 27, 27, and 8. If you have all 3, come and get 3 million. Answers are 35, 10, and 5. If you have all 3 of them, come and get 3 million. 35, 10, and 5. Alright, the answers are -3, 51, and 42. If you have all 3, come and get 3 million. Today's objective is going to be order of operations. And you should write that at the top of your notes page, which will have to go into your notebook for a check later on in the 9 weeks. More specifically, the learning target is going to be add, subtract, multiply, and divide in varying degrees. And with the homework, you'll also have to do parentheses, brackets, and exponents. Most of this will be saved for the homework so I can see how well you're doing. I need to start at the bottom with every class, and then if you guys are good, then we can move up quick if you get a lot of these right. I need to know whether or not you can do this stuff before we can even go on for the rest of the class. Alright, so Example number 1. Just like we did on the warm-up quiz, only a little bit more. 5 times 12 divided by 6 plus 8 times 4 divided by 16. Multiplication and division first, from left to right. 5 times 12 is 60. Keep that. And then 8 times 4 is 32. Keep that. Now again, multiplication and division in order from left to right. 60 divided by 6 is 10. And 32 divided by 16 is 2. So you should come out with a final answer of 12. Any questions on that? Example number 2. 72 minus 40 divided by 5 plus 18 divided by 9 times 2. Multiplication and division in order from left to right first. So leave the 72 and do 40 divided by 5. That's 8. 18 divided by 9. That's 2. And you still have to go back and do multiplication at the end. That's 4. Now go left to right. 72 minus 8 is 64. And then plus 4 should be 68. I wrote 64. 68. There we go. Any questions on that? Practice problem number 1. 60 divided by 15 times 4 plus 90 divided by 10 divided by 3. 60 divided by 15 is 4, and then keep the times 4. 90 divided by 10 is 9, and then divide by 3. So 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 should be 19. If you have that, come and get 2 million. Bonus problem number 1 while we're waiting on everybody to finish the practice. 12 plus 8 divided by 2 times 5 minus 2 times 1. Solution to the bonus should be 12 plus, now it's 8 divided by 2, which is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. And then minus 2 times 1, that's 2. So 12 plus 20 is 32, minus 2 is 30. Does anybody need more time on the practice? No? Practice number 2. Bring this up and drop it off. Solution. Oh, does anybody need some more time on the practice? No? Okay, here is the solution. And you'll have 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And I wrote 2. 7, and then times 4. 16 divided by 8 is 2, divided by 2, and then times 10. 7 times 4 is 28, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. If I multiply it by 10, I still have 10. Add 28 and 10 to get 38. If you have that, come and get 2 million. Bonus problem number 1 while we wait on everybody else to finish the practice. 50 divided by 10 times 5 minus 16 divided by 2 times 2. Here's the solution. 50 divided by 10 is 5, and then times 5. 60 divided by 2, but then you go right back and times 2, puts you right back at 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. Practice number 3. 100 divided by 25 times 4 divided by 2 plus 6 times 5. Alright, and the solution for the practice problem, you're going to start with 100 divided by 25, that is 4. And then keep everything else. 6 times 5 is 30. 4 times 4 is 16. When we divide that by 2, we're going to come up with an answer of 8 and add 30 to that, so it should be 38. The bonus problem, while we're waiting on the practice problem to come in, 24 times 2 divided by 16 plus 5 times 4 divided by 2. The solution for the bonus, 24 times 2 is 48. 48 divided by 16 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. That's where we get 13. Homework assignment for today. And the homework assignment is, be sure to write all the problems, show all of the work, box the answer.